Apple cider has been a popular beverage for centuries, known for its unique taste and numerous health benefits. Made from the juice of crushed apples, apple cider is a versatile drink that can be enjoyed hot or cold and can be used in a variety of recipes. One of the main benefits of apple cider is its high levels of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. By consuming apple cider regularly, you can help boost your body's antioxidant levels and reduce your risk of developing these serious health conditions. In addition to its antioxidant properties, apple cider is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system and can help protect against colds and flu. Apple cider also contains potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Another benefit of apple cider is its ability to aid in digestion. The enzymes in apple cider can help break down food more efficiently, allowing for better absorption of nutrients and reducing the risk of digestive issues such as bloating and gas. Additionally, apple cider can help balance the pH levels in the stomach, which can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and indigestion. Apple cider has also been shown to anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and asthma. By incorporating apple cider into your diet, you can help reduce pain and swelling in your joints and improve your overall respiratory health. For those looking to lose weight, apple cider can be a helpful tool. Studies have shown that the acetic acid in apple cider can help suppress appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake and potential weight loss. Additionally, apple cider can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. Apple cider can also be beneficial for skin health. The antioxidants in apple cider can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and age spots. Apple cider can also help balance the skin's pH levels, which can prevent acne and other skin conditions. In addition to its health benefits, apple cider can also be used in a variety of ways in the kitchen. It can be used as a marinade for meats, a dressing for salads, or a base for sauces and soups. Apple cider can also be used in baking to add moisture and flavor to cakes, muffins, and breads. When choosing apple cider, it is important to look for a high-quality, organic product that is free from added sugars and preservatives. Organic apple cider is made from apples that have been grown without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, making it a healthier option for both you and the environment. In conclusion, apple cider is a delicious and versatile beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its ability to aid in digestion and weight loss, apple cider is a valuable addition to any diet. Whether enjoyed on its own or used in cooking, apple cider is a tasty and nutritious option that can help improve your overall health and well-being.